In this video, I'll demonstrate how to do the exercise password cracking of the Cisco Cybersecurity Essentials course. The objective is to use a password cracking tool where we are going to recover passwords using the tool John the Ripper, that is an open source password cracking tool. But first, subscribe to the channel not to miss more videos about Linux operating systems and networking. Hit the like button if this video helps you, and write in the comments if you have any questions about this exercise, about Linux operating systems or networking. Now, let's start by opening the terminal, and now change to the directory where the tool of John the Ripper is located, cd space tilde dash downloads dash John dash 1.8.0 / run and enter. Now we are inside where the tool is located, and we can run the commands from here. The first step is to combine the passw file where user accounts are stored with the shadow file where user passwords are stored, and create a new file. So start with the command sudo to use the superuser /unshadow space -etc -passwd space -etc -shadow space, now that symbol to the right, my passwd. This command will run the unshadow from John the Ripper and combine the file passwd with the file shadow to create a new file called mypasswd, and press enter. Now enter the password to run a sudo command. So password, and let's check the file created. So write the command /john space -- show space in the name of the file we created, so mypasswd, and enter. We can see that at this point we have 8 passwords, but 0 passwords were cracked. Now let's run the John the Ripper tool with a standard set of predefined rules using a predefined dictionary. So write the command /john space -- word list equal password .lst, that is our dictionary with passwords, space -- rules space in the name of the file mypasswd space -- format equal crypt, and press enter. Now the tool is running the password list, the dictionary with passwords, against every username. So we found that username Eric is using the password1, the username Bob is using 12345, so it's easy to crack the passwords when passwords are weak. Let's terminate the program. Now let's check our file with the passwords. Write the command /john space -- show space in the name of the file mypasswd, and press enter. In the file we can see the usernames, the passwords, and the IDs, but on the bottom we can see the message 5 password hashes cracked and 3 passwords left, and we could not crack 3 passwords because those passwords were not that easy. This is how you use a password cracking tool. And now subscribe to the channel not to miss more videos about Linux operating systems and networking. Hit the like button if this video helped you, and leave a comment if you have any questions about this exercise, about Linux operating systems or networking. And I will see you on the next video.